My name is Alice Poindexter. I am 76 years old. My family moved in this house back in the 50s. I had an older sister that lived in this house. When she moved out of the neighborhood, I moved in. In the beginning, I said, oh, it's so nice to be back. But then after I saw the neighborhood, I got a little disappointed. I was so disappointed to see that the houses were not kept up. I was so disappointed to see that no repairs, if any, were done. And I'm disappointed still with our children not being able to be out on the street, playing and having a good time just like any other child. Healthy Homes came in last year. I received a flyer in the mail, Healthy Homes, Linden Repair. So I said, well, I can't lose, so I'll fill it out and send it in. And that's what I did. A week later, she calls me back and says, you've been approved. It just happened in a week, 10 days, they were all done with the house. The repairs made on the house was the new siding, window frames, and new light fixture over the entire outside. Oh my God, it was so nice. Each time I look at this house, oh my heart, it's awesome. It's awesome. It really gives me hope that this community can be the community again. Again, where our children can be happy to be living in this neighborhood. Healthy Homes is going to give our community hope. It will give our children a sense of pride and sort of boost their self-esteem. The neighbors walk by, they look and say, oh, I love your color of your house.